Hey guys, it's Tyler Daw with Remax Connects, and we're here to show you one of our virtual open houses for 148 Churchill Road South in Acton. And what you're seeing right now is some of the aerials of the area as well as the property. A unique feature to this guy is that the driveway holds up to 5 cars, which is unique for a house this size. But this 1950s bungalow is 1,076 square feet. It's 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. It's got 2 rec rooms in the basement, and it's perfect for first-time buyers or any retirees out there that want to keep it all on one level. So let's go inside and take a look. Okay, right now you're seeing the front entranceway with the hall closet and the beautiful penny tiles that says love. And to get a better idea, this is a standard 50s layout. I'm going to pull you out, and I just wanted to show you guys the first floor first and foremost, and we're going to show you how open and bright it actually is. So right now we're going to go right over top of the living room here, and you'll be able to see the living room and the dinette in the far corner. And the kitchen's right beside, and now we're going to move over to the bedrooms, where you see one of the largest bedrooms there and the smaller there. But I'd love to be able to zoom in and show you exactly what we're looking at. So give me a minute. Now let's go into the living room. So here we are from the kitchen going out to the living room, as well as a dinette there. Nice feature to this property is there is a breakfast bar there too for the kids, so you don't always have to sit at the table. Great contemporary design, brand new kitchen, new pot lights, new countertops, new backsplash, brand new appliances. We're gonna do this one nice and slow. Okay, you see how light it is? You see how bright it is? The nice neutral tones really picks that up. We're gonna take you out to the back. They have a sunroom off the back, and it's got double doors out to the back deck. This is great for the kids for playing. It's great to read a book, have a glass of wine. The sellers thoroughly enjoy it. For the wine, obviously. All right, we'll pull you back. Now what we want to do is we want to bring you into the bedrooms, but we'll go to the washroom first. It's all brand new tub, tile surround. I'm going to take you down to the floor. Kind of got a retro feel, but it's all new. And then into the first bedroom we're going to go. We'll do a little spin around here for you. Right, the bedrooms aren't huge, right? A 1950s home, but they're a good size. They're perfect for kids, perfect for parents as well. They all have closets, which is nice. And we'll go into the second bedroom here. You can see we've got the cellar-made rock climbing wall and ladder. How cool are these parents? The kids must love this. I'd love to be able to do that at my house. I just don't have the patience. You see the original hardwood floors, they've all been refinished. They're all in great shape. It's a nice feature to this home. And we're seeing the last bedroom here. It's the back bedroom. It's the largest bedroom, and it faces the backyard. Once again, the hardwood. The design in this house is awesome. I thank my seller, Tiffany, for that one. Okay, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go down to the basement. Right in here. And you guys can see here, we spin around. This is a very cozy room. It's been upgraded, it's been painted, there's been new floor. They have a gas fireplace in the corner. The stairs going up. I'm gonna take on out. The second rec room, these guys use as a music room. Okay, take a look at this drum set. It's pretty badass. I wish I knew how to play an instrument. And this is perfect. So these guys have craft table over here. They've got their records. They've got good guitars. This is an area just to chill. The kids can play in the rec room and the other side of the house, and these guys can play in the music room. So just to show you guys as well, there is storage area here. Give me a second there. And the storage is an L-shaped around the back. You can see that where it comes in just here. Boring, we didn't want to zoom right in. But this bungalow is cute as a button, right? Going through it all now. Now I want to show you the outside. Not a huge yard, but it is perfect. It is fully fenced, so it's great for the kids. It's great for dogs. The deck for entertaining is phenomenal. You got to see this place. So hopefully this gives you a better idea of what this place looks like. Right below is a link to this website, so everybody come and take a look at it, and you're not going to be disappointed with this one. Okay, so we are allowing viewings. We have particular cases where people need to see it, but right now we're trying to be safe and we're trying to give you all the information you need before you do. We do have protective measures as well for that if that's the case. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this place. If you have any questions, my number is right here, 519-837-6000. My name's Tyler Daw with RE/MAX Connects, and we're at 148 Churchill Road South in Acton, and we're looking to sell this baby. Give me a call today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. We'll talk to you soon.